Alright, good morning. Scott here from Kiefer Realty. It's a bit of a wacky Wednesday. Got quite a bit going on today, including two nice homes going on the market. This one is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath located in Spruce Creek Golf and Country Club. It backs up directly to the golf course. It's a pretty nicely laid out home with some good landscaping. And of course you can see the hills back there for the golf course. So let's go in and take a look around, see what we can find. You come into the entryway to a coat closet and tile floors, and this is your living area with the built-in for your entertainment center. Nice pass-through window for the kitchen, and all the appliances are in this one. Pretty nice looking stuff. Got a pantry there. Let's go out back here and take a look. These are tinted windows, and you'll see the difference here when I open the door. So that's some pretty good tinting on there. Nice screened, bird caged sunroom, screened room. And there's your golf course back there. And I'm understanding that there's a lake back there somewhere. Not sure exactly where, but it's back there. So let's go back in and take a look. Back through the kitchen. And into your living room. This isn't a real large place, but it's certainly nice and got what you need if you don't spend a lot of time in the house and more on the golf course. This is a master bath here. Got tile floors. The carpet in here looks like it needs to be replaced. Come back out into that living area. And this would be the guest bedroom, and the closet's in there. The closet and the master was in the bathroom. And then we've got a guest bath here. Tile floors, pretty good size. So this is a 2-2. And we'll go out into the garage and see what we got out here. And there's room for your golf cart so you can spend your day on the course. Area for your laundry here. Have an irrigation system. And your AC unit and heat is gas. And I believe this is for your tankless hot water system. So there is no water tank there. Gives you a little extra storage, maybe for your workbench. But that's it on this one. Love to show you this home or any of the others we have listed. You can find us on YouTube to find videos of more of our homes. Look up Kiefer Realty and you'll see our videos, and you can subscribe and get notified when we put more out. You can also find us on Facebook at Kiefer Realty Ocala Citrus, or the old-fashioned way, you can pick up your phone and give us a call at 352-861-6000. If you want to see this home or any others, give us a call. Kiefer Realty, 352-861-6000. And we'll come back to you from our next home as soon as it comes on the market. Be the first to know.